Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the PVC valve, which is right underneath here on your Honda Pilot. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is move this plastic out of the way, and you just need a little screwdriver to pop these things up like that. And then this thing could just be moved out of the way. Next you need to remove this cover, and all you got to do is twist these 90 degrees and then pull up. And now this comes out. Alright. So now you're able to get to the PVC valve, which is right to the left of this thing. Right under there. See that 10 millimeter? So you need to remove that 10 millimeter. Okay, before you start doing anything, try lifting this up a little bit, like that. It gives you a better access to the bolt. You can just do it by hand once you break it loose. I'm gonna try to do it by hand so I don't lose the screw. Okay, that's what the screw looks like. Alright guys, take a screwdriver and try to pry this over here. Just be careful because there's a spacer behind here you don't want to lose. Just carefully pry it out. Alright guys, this is your new PVC valve, and this is your part number, and this is the spacer. You take the spacer off the old valve and you're going to put it in here like that. Okay, also lubricate these O-rings, okay, with some motor oil. That's it, you're ready to put it back in. Alright guys, that's how you do a PVC valve on a 2010 Honda Pilot. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.